Dear Python community, I have decided to be reinstated as BDFL. The services of the steering council are no longer required.
He's back? Oh my God, that's fantastic.
Oh yeah, it's like I always say, I came for the language, but I stayed for the community.
Aw.
Guido, are we ready to release Python 2.8?
Aren't you forgetting something?
My BDFL, are we ready to release Python 2.8? Yeah, I really don't know when that started.
My lord.
He says the key to writing Pythonic code is becoming one with white space.
Indentation is enlightenment. After much thought, I've decided that I will introduce a new keyword in Python. Maybe.
What does it do?
It's like if, but more Pythonic.
So like if, but uncertain?
Exactly.